Hello everyone! Today, we'll take a look at the best 6 vacuum sealer machines in the market for 2024. I've curated this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll help you find the right one for your needs. Stay tuned to see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these vacuum sealer machines. Before we dive into today's video, please consider supporting us by hitting the like button. Because this is a new channel, your like helps our channel to grow. So let's get started. We will start our video with FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer. Introducing the FoodSaver PowerVac Compact Vacuum Sealer, keeps food fresh up to 5x longer in the freezer, with 35% less bag waste. Vertical storage saves countertop space. Custom settings for dry and moist items ensure an airtight seal. Includes one 11-inch by 8-foot roll, 3-quart size bags, and 2-gallon size bags. Built-in bag alignment drip tray for easy cleanup. Compatible with FoodSaver handheld sealer, sold separately for fridge and pantry storage. Next one is Nesco Deluxe Food Vacuum Sealer. Introducing the Nesco Deluxe Food VS 12 Vacuum Sealer, 130 watts, 25.1 in HG double vacuum pump for optimal performance. Features 3 settings: dry, moist, double, and variable vacuum pressure options. Easy lock handle for one-handed operation, double heat seal for added security with liquid-based foods. Built-in storage and bag cutter, and includes 2 bag rolls. Move on to Koios Vacuum Sealer. Introducing the Koios Vacuum Sealer Machine, seals in 8 to 12 seconds, keeping food fresh 8 times longer. Wet/dry mode with one touch for convenience. External manual VAC connects to containers, bags, and wine stoppers. Built-in cutter for customized bags. Compact design for easy storage. Includes 10 sealing bags, extra gasket, air suction hose, and user manual. Now we talk about Geryon Vacuum Sealer. Introducing the Geryon Vacuum Sealer Machine, an essential kitchen appliance for efficient home cooking. Multiple sealing modes for versatile preservation. Ergonomic design with easy cleaning and storage. Automatic sealing technology with LED indicator lights. Complete starter kit includes air suction hose, heat seal bags, roll, and user manual. Ideal for sous vide cooking and extending food freshness. Move on to Inkbird Sealer Vacuum Sealer. Introducing the Food Sealer Vacuum Sealer Machine 10 in 1 by Inkbird. Equipped with a built-in 11.8-foot cutter and bag storage for up to 20 feet length. Comes with a full starter kit including vacuum sealer bags and rolls, air suction hose, vacuum sealing strip, and foam gasket replacement. Vacuum 200 times continuously at dry mode and 50 times at moist mode with overheating protection system. Features 7 operable modes for versatile food sealing. Strong suction power keeps food 10x fresher with easy cleaning and storage. ETL certified with a 1-year warranty. The last one of our list is Anova Vacuum Sealer. Introducing the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer, perfect for sous vide cooking, sealing in maximum flavor and moisture. Ideal for chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, pork, and more. Compatible with Anova precision cookers or any other sous vide circulator. Easy to use with the push of a button, includes separate air pulse and seal functions. Comes with 10 free Anova pre-cut vacuum sealer bags. Designed in San Francisco with a 5-year warranty. Unlock restaurant quality cooking at home with Anova. We reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed of these 5 best vacuum sealer machine, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and drop a comments below. Your support means a world to me. Thank you for watching.